Good morning, friends and family, YouTube worldwide. Welcome back to the channel. I would like to give thanks to the Most High for allowing me to get to work safely to give you this content. Today is Good Friday. Today is the best day of the work week. Today is payday. Today is week 8 of the $1, $2, 52-week challenge vacation sinking fund. Don't forget to pay yourself first. Don't forget to pay yourself at least 10 to 15 to 20% of your weekly salary, because at the end of the year, it all adds up. Disclaimer, I am not a financial advisor. I am just sharing what works for me. Here, we manage our money wisely. Here, we create a budget. Here, we save first and spend later. Here, we set financial goals. Here, we invest early. Here, we avoid debt. To summarize what I just said, here, we earn, save, and invest for the long haul. Here, we are building a solid financial foundation. Here, we are fully funded on a weekly, bi-weekly, and monthly basis. I want to go over the 3 golden rules of money management. Golden rule number 1, don't spend more than you earn. Golden rule number 2, always plan for the future. Golden rule number 3, help your money grow. Okay, so we are in week 8 of the $1.52. So we are going to deposit or insert $8 coins, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 into the jar. So we could do that right now since it's on. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So that leaves us at $36 in dollar coins. All right, so let's make sure we mark it down. Remember, last week I didn't have this, so we're gonna have to mark for week 7 and week 8. So we're gonna do this is the $1.52. So we are going to mark down week 7 and week 8. So week 8, as you can see, is $36. We put $8 in dollar coins, 36, and we have 36. So now we're gonna do it with the $2 bills also. So we can mark it now. Week 7 and week 8. We are going to put, see, it's small. We're gonna have $72, if you can see it. Okay, week 8, we're gonna put $16, which is 8 $2 notes. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 times 2 is 16. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. So we have $16, and we are going to put $16 where it belongs. This is for January, and this is for February. So we can put this here. All right, friends and family, would you please hit the like button so that way we could get the algorithm to share the content, so that way we could get more viewers. All right, I really will appreciate it, and thank you for always supporting the channel. I appreciate that also. Okay, so we are done with that. We have $72 here, and now we are going to make sure that we are fully funded weekly. For those that are new to the channel, what I do is I always save on a weekly basis for all my bills. All right, we have 4 weeks to the month, so I always, save on a weekly basis, so that way I won't be short at the end of the month. Okay, so all your bill is fully funded. We are on the 3rd week of the month, because last week I didn't have my calendar with me. And mortgage is fully funded. Insurance is fully funded. Water bill is fully funded. And phone bill is fully funded. All right, and vacation sinking fund, we are going to put $25. We put that last week, and then this is for this week. This is for last week, and this is for this week. Actually, okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so this is supposed to be, I did it wrong. Because what I'm trying to do with this calendar, I'm gonna make sure that I'm putting it on the right box. All right, remember before I had to literally, write down the month and the days. But this year I'm doing it different. I have to put it in the box. So we are in the 3rd week of the month. So February, we only have 4 weeks. Last month we had 5 weeks. You know how I feel about the 5th week. All right, that's extra money for us. So we are going to, this is 20, 40, 60, 75. So we have $75 here, but we really supposed to have 50. No, actually it's right, it's correct, 75. Actually, I'm wrong because it's supposed to be 50 and today's supposed to be 75. And the only reason why this happened is because we had that extra week last month. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put 25 into the vacation sinking fund, if I'm not mistaken. And if I am mistaken, then I'll just put it back, because we're supposed to have, as a matter of fact, I'm not even gonna do that. So we're gonna have 20, 40, 60, 75. This is for the monthly recoup. This is for the monthly recoup exchange. This is what I'm going to exchange next week when I go to the bank, so that way I can get more tools. Okay, so as you can see, I do everything on a weekly basis, so that way, I don't have to take out a lot of money, from my pay. All right, that's the reason why I do it weekly. I save weekly. All right, and then this is our vacation sinking fund. So we are going to put $50 for our vacation sinking fund. Okay, so right now we have 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 50, 60, 75. We are going to put 25 and another 25. All right, so now we're gonna have 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 2, 10, 25. So we have $225. Let's double count. 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 80, 5, 90, 95, 200, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. So we have $225 for our vacation sinking fund. All right. And the reason why I did it this way, because last week I was wondering, I was like, why do I have $75 when we was only in the 2nd week? All right, so we have 1, 2, 3. So that's 75, all right? So that's the reason why I didn't put an extra 25. And this happened because we had the 5th week for January, all right? So every time we have a 5th week, we put that money towards the vacation. That's what we're gonna do from now on, all right? So we are fully funded with that. And let me give you the quote of the week. I like this quote because, I love to give, I like to share. So if you knew what I know about the power of giving, you will not let a single meal pass without sharing it in some way. And this is from Buddha. This is a quote from Buddha. If you knew what I knew about the power of giving, you will not let a single meal pass without sharing it in some way. All right? Friends and family, thank you for watching and supporting the channel. I really do appreciate you. I want to give a big shout out to my good friend, an old friend of mine, Lizzie. Thank you for, supporting the channel. Welcome to my channel, all right? You are part of the crew. Peace, friends and family. Have a blessed weekend, and God willing, I'll come back with some more content next week. Peace and love.